This story is about a poor man named Shamsu lived a hard life in a remote village. One day he meets a magical parrot, colored green feathers, red beak, and talking human voice, who offers him a chance to change his destiny, but only if he speaks the truth and resists greed. What happens next will warm your heart and teach that honesty truly is the best policy. If you like this story, please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will thankful to you. Thank you.
At the edge of a remote village, nestled between lush green trees and brown earth, lived Shamsu in a small dirt lane. Shamsu, a middle-aged farmer, had a flat nose, short stature, dark complexion, slightly bulging eyes, messy curly hair, worn-out plastic slippers on his feet, a khaki shirt and a striped lungi, and a perpetually peaceful yet surprised expression on his face. Every morning, Shamsu would go to the nearby hill where he would cut wood and sell it in the city. His life was simple, but conditions were getting worse day by day. The price of wood was falling, and Shamsu had neither fields nor land. One day, as he was cutting wood in the forest, he suddenly heard a strange sound. "Oh, don't cut the wood! Save my branch!" Shamsu looked around in surprise. A green parrot was sitting on a tree branch with a bright green body, a red beak, a blue ring around its yellow neck, and a voice just like a human's. Shamsu was amazed and softly asked, "Do you talk?" The parrot said, "Yes, and I know you are poor, hardworking, and kind-hearted. If you listen to me, I will give you a secret that will make you rich." Shamsu stopped cutting wood and asked the parrot, "What do I have to do?" The parrot said, "You have to go to the place I tell you. There is a cave there. Enter that cave, but only speak the truth. Whatever question is asked, only the truth. Do not be greedy. If you succeed, your destiny will change." The next morning, golden rays of sun filtered through the tree leaves, falling onto the ground. Dewdrops sparkled on the grass, and there was a light dampness and the scent of earth in the air. Shamsu, a middle-aged farmer, set off on the path the parrot had told him about. Along the way, he heard hills, bushes, and many strange sounds. Finally, he reached the entrance of the cave. On a stone at the cave's door was carved, "Treasure for the truthful, empty hands for the liars." As soon as Shamsu entered, a deep voice asked, "Have you come for wealth?" Shamsu truthfully said, "Yes, because I have nothing." The voice then asked, "If you get wealth, will you help others?" Shamsu said, "As much as I can, yes." Then suddenly, the ground shook from the cave floor and a chest appeared. Inside the chest were gold coins, silver jewelry, and an old manuscript that read, "This wealth is only given to those whose heart is truthful and whose intentions are pure." Shamsu was now rich, but he didn't change himself. He built a school for the poor children of the village, a clinic for the sick, and bought himself a new lungi, shoes, and a shirt, but the peace on his face remained the same. The parrot now came to his courtyard every day, and they would sit quietly for a long time. One day, a child asked Shamsu, "Uncle, why does the parrot come to you every day?" Shamsu smiled and said, "Because I didn't cut its branch, and it changed my destiny."